Hey everyone, it's Jackie with Stain Fu, and in today's video we'll be smashing up these red raspberries into the carpet and then showing you how to clean it up with Stain Fu. But first, if you're new here, welcome to our channel. And if you're not new here, welcome back. Here at Stain Fu, we show you how to clean pet stains and other things. And if you're not familiar with us, we are a family of professional cleaners who see several problems in the cleaning world today. So it is our mission to help teach you what we know, because there's a lot of bad information out there. So we just want you to have the best results. So with that said, let's get to the cleaning. The first thing we'll do is use a metal spoon to scoop up the pieces. And as you can see, red raspberries can be pretty annoying because there are these little tiny seeds that you have to pick out. Then use a white towel or a color fast towel to blot up as much as you can. I'm kind of doing a pinching motion here to try and almost squeeze it from the carpet. I seem to be able to blot it up a little bit better this way. And then we'll take our Stain Fu and shake it up, and then spray the area, applying a decent amount to cover the stain. Next, we'll want to agitate the product into the carpet, so take that same spoon from earlier and use the handle to work it in. And you'll want to work it from the outside in just so that it doesn't spread. We also don't recommend using a scrub brush just because it can actually damage your carpet fibers, and we don't want that. Alright, then we'll just let it sit for about 10 minutes for it to work its magic. Alright, so after 10 minutes, blot it up using white or color fast towels. If there still seems to be a stain, just repeat the steps. So respray the area, agitate the product in, and then this time we will let it air dry and check within a few hours or maybe until the next day. This will give it some extra time to work. Alright, so here's what the stain looks like when it dried. There's no more stain. So there you have it. That's how you clean a red raspberry stain from your carpet. Thanks for watching.